Har Har Mahadev, Jai Jai Shiv Shankar. So hello everyone, I hope all are doing very well. So welcome back to my channel and my greetings and regards to all of you. So today let's see and the view of the Kandilia Mahadev temple, which is a part of the eastern group of Khajuraho in Chhatarpur district. So even the Kandilia Mahadev temple is the highest and tallest temple of in all over Khajuraho. So even the Kandilia Mahadev temple was conducted by the king Dhandadeva of the Chandela dynasty in 919th century. So this temple was dedicated to Lord Shiva. So we know very well about it. Khajuraho, the group of Khajuraho temple is divided in three groups. So even there are three groups such as the western group of Khajuraho, eastern group of Khajuraho and southern group of Khajuraho. So Kandilia Mahadev temple is a group of in western group of Khajuraho. So even we know very well that the Khajuraho groups of monuments, the temple was inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1986. So today let's see, and the special things about the Khajuraho temple is that we also know very well the Khajuraho temples features a variety of artwork, of which 10% erotic arts outside and inside the temples, and some of the temples that have two layers of the wall have a small erotic carvings on the outside of the inner wall. So some scholars suggest that these to be tantric sexual practice at that time. So another scholars also said that the erotic arts are the parts of the Hindu traditions of treating kama as an essential and proper part of the life. So let's explore together with me, and I am going to explain in details about the Kandilia Mahadev temple, including all over the Khajuraho temple. So we can see how it is the art of this Kandilia Mahadev temple. We can see the art of the Kandilia Mahadev temple is also erotic picture is also there on the wall of the temple inside and outside. Let's see, this is the erotic picture on the temple of Khajuraho in Kandilia Mahadev temple. We can see it is showing here as a erotic pictures. So I already discussed about that the Kandilia Mahadev temple was constructed by the king Dhandadeva of Chandela dynasty in 919th century, and apart from that the Khajuraho temples are divided into three groups: western groups of Khajuraho, eastern groups of Khajuraho and southern group of Khajuraho. So the western group of Khajuraho in the largest group and includes temples such as the Kandilia Mahadev temples, the Lakshmana temples, the Chitragupta temples, 64 Yogini temples and Devi Jagadamba temples, and along with the Vishwanath temple, which is located in western group of Khajuraho. And the second group is the eastern group of Khajuraho, divided in Hindu and Jain temples, include the Ghantai temples, Parsavnath temples, Adinath temples, Brahma temples, Hanuman temples, Jawari temples and Vamana temples, which is so popular temple in the eastern group of Khajuraho. And another group is the southern group of Khajuraho. So first let's see the view of this Kandilia Mahadev temple inside. Even I also made the vlogging of all over the temple in Khajuraho, western group, eastern group and southern group. So let's see how it is the temple inside looking Kandilia Mahadev temple. It is also a very good and really it is a very unique temple, and many more visitors are also coming to visit this temple, that is a UNESCO World Heritage Site of in the world, and many more foreigners are also coming here to explore this temple, that is a group of the Khajuraho temple. So I am also going inside the temple. We can see how it is the inside the temple along with the Lord Shiva Shivling. So this is the Shivling inside the Kandilia Mahadev temple. So Har Har Mahadev, Jai Jai Shiv Shankar. So I can't express my feelings that how I am feeling here. Really it is a very great moment for me, and I want to come here in this temple and in groups of the Khajuraho many more times. and also I did meditation also here. So it is a good moment for me. And next one is the remaining other southern group of Khajuraho. So the southern group of Khajuraho temples consist of two most temples like the Duladev temple and Chitrabhumi temple. Chaturbhuj temple. So let's see inside the temple. There is also some arts of the temple is also so unique on the inner wall of the temple. How it is looking. The view of this temple is so amazing and really unique view on the wall or inner wall of the temple. How is the sculpture, the arts of the temple. So really it is a very good temples we can see. And there are so many monuments inside the Khajuraho temple. Already I explained about that. Even I also made vlog of the many more video and also I uploaded on YouTube all over the content of Khajuraho temple. So I am trying to make so good inside the temple. So look at the art of this temple and really it is a very good because I think everyone used to must come and visit this temple. The erotic art of this temple, which is make as a so special temple in the world. So even it is located in Chhatarpur district and there is a closest station nearby the Khajuraho station also. So we can take train from anywhere and then we can come Khajuraho station, and from it will take only 15 minutes to come and reach this temple from Khajuraho station, which is located in Chhatarpur district of MP. And even Bageshwar Dham is also so close from here. So let's see. And this is a Jagdamba temple which is dedicated to goddess Parvati. So it is also a very unique temple. The art of this temple is also so unique and so amazing architecture. So how it is the view, and even this temple is occupied in so many large area, in very large area, because there are total nowadays the total temple is to 25 groups of the temple in all over Khajuraho. We can see all the temples are looking so good, and it is also very good for meditation purpose also. So many more means always visitors are coming to visit this temple. So let's see, this is another temple also. This is the only surviving temple which is open for devotees to worship. This is also dedicated to Lord Shiva. And this is the Mangateshwariya temple, and Mangateshwariya temple which is also dedicated to Lord Shiva in Khajuraho, among the Chandela's era monuments of Khajuraho, which is also built by the Chandela ruler. So it is the only one temple which is still actively used for worship in Khajuraho. So let's see how it is the idol of Shivling. It is a very big Shivling still using for worship by Hindus, which is a Mangateshwariya temple. So which is also a site of the UNESCO, and even all over the groups of the temple in Khajuraho, which is located on the within the Vindhyas mountain range in central India, that is present in Madhya Pradesh. So Har Har Mahadev, Jai Shiv Shankar.